Hey guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a caprese artisan bread. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Today we're going to need flour, yeast, salt, tomatoes, dried basil, mozzarella cheese, tomato powder, and warm water. Start by whisking together the flour, yeast, and salt until well combined. Then add your tomato powder and whisk some more. Add your dried basil. If yours is in wholly form, go ahead and crush it up. Then whisk to combine the basil with the rest of the dry ingredients. Then add your water and mix until just all of the flour is combined, adding your cheese and tomatoes right before the end. Cover and let rise at room temperature for 12 to 14 hours. After 12 to 14 hours, remove the cover and stretch and fold 3 to 4 times, shape into a ball, and cover for another 30 minutes. Preheat the pot and the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once preheated, carefully remove your hot pot, generously flour the bottom of your pot, and plop your dough into the pot. Cover and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid, garnish with mozzarella cheese and fresh basil, and return to the oven for another 5 to 15 minutes until your desired crust color has been achieved. Cool on a wire rack. Wait until completely cool before cutting. I hope you enjoy!